Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up Digisol AC1200 Wi-Fi Extender setup using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the Digisol AC1200 Extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, plug your Digisol AC1200 Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet near your main router. Wait for the power LED on the extender to light up, indicating it's powered on. Now ensure your main Wi-Fi router supports WPS, Wi-Fi protected setup. WPS buttons are typically marked as WPS or with an icon like two arrows forming a circle. WPS should be enabled in the router settings. If not, check your router's user manual. Press the WPS button on your main router. The WPS LED on the router should start blinking, indicating it's ready to connect. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS button on the Digisol extender. The WPS LED on the extender should start blinking, indicating it is trying to connect. After a few seconds, the WPS LED on the extender should turn solid, indicating a successful connection. The extender will now clone the SSID, network name, and password of your main router. Unplug the extender and move it to a location halfway between your main router and the area with weak Wi-Fi. Ensure it's within range of your router's Wi-Fi signal. Plug it back in and wait for the LEDs to stabilize. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.